Furry, The Little Penguins That Could, written by Ann Yurchek, illustrated by Jody Culp. Better Endings, New Beginnings in Minneapolis, USA. Teaching about friendship, ability, and inclusion.
This is a all-new furry adventure.
Chapter 5, more about Stuffies. I have a secret. There are a few more things you need to know about Stuffies before we get into the real super duper crazy story. There is a difference between listening and hearing, or hearing and listening. All Stuffies have ears of different shapes and sizes. Listening is what Stuffies do best. It is hard to pay attention when things get too loud or busy. Stuffies listen on purpose because we want to know stuff about teacher and the littles. Stuffies care. We get a lot of practice listening. When a child is sad, we hold, woofed, puppy. When a child is happy, we laughed, ooh, ooh, ah, 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 monkey. When a child is lonely, we reach out, ho, ho, honked, goose. When a child is scared, we team up, bear and rabbit said together. Stuffies' big loving hearts live in our stuffing. Stuffun-la-muffins is what fills us right up to the top of our head and into the bottom of our tickly toes and wiggly fingers. Stuffun-la-muffins is love turned into stuffy stuff. We are made for hugging and cuddling and snuggling. Sometimes we quietly soak up tears. Stuffy ears work through the stuffun-la-muffins of our hearts. When a child is hurt, we comfort, meowed kitten. When a child is mad, we soothe, bawd lamb. We listen, said mouse. In kindergarten, the littles learn to listen and laugh while they learn. Listening happens because we care about learning. Paying attention can be hard, especially for kindergartners. Teacher loves us a lot, but if you want to know who really loves us the most, well, that is the littles. Children are the most treasured part of any kindergarten.